5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, this is All Day Daddy and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago pa lang, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin na video. And guys, so for today's vlog is a little bit different. We're going to cook an Italian recipe which is Chicken Parmesan. And I'm sure na perfect to for your family, perfect na for lunch and for your dinner. So tara, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's go! Heto na ang kumpletong ingredients ng ating recipe for today. First on our ingredients, ang ating chicken breast, breadcrumbs, panko, yung ginagamit ko dito para mas crispy guys, mozzarella cheese, spring onion, salt, paprika, pepper, ating Parmesan cheese, all-purpose flour, tomato sauce, and our egg. Alright, first thing we should do guys is to cut the chicken into half lengthwise. So makakatulong kasi ito sa pagluto ng mabilis ng ating chicken. Siyempre, wag natin kalimutang i-flex ang ating bagong knife from Japan. Gift to ng ating kaibigang si Seth's Corner at iba pa. Gustong gusto kong ginagamit ang mga ganitong knife kasi napakatalas and napaka-smooth gamitin. Sobrang ganda ng quality ng mga Japan knife. Next step is we're going to use a mallet para mas ma-flatten pa natin yung ating chicken. After this, we're going to prepare naman yung ating breading station. In a small bowl, i-mix lang natin yung flour, paprika, salt, and pepper. Make sure to mix well para mas maayos na ma-distribute ang ating mga ingredients. The breading station consists of the mixed flour, beaten egg, and of course, breadcrumbs. Ang tamang process ng pag-egg wash is first flour, then egg, and lastly, yung breadcrumbs. Always make sure to use your both hands. Right hand is for dry and left hand is for wet para maiwasan natin ang cross-contamination. Now everything is done. Next step is we're going to fry the chicken breast. In a hot pan, ilagay lang natin isa-isa yung ating chicken breast and we'll be cooking this one for 3 minutes both side hanggang mag golden brown lang siya. Alright, chicken breast is ready. Now we're going to prepare a pan. Then we're going to add a tomato sauce. Make sure to spread properly hanggang ma-cover up yung ating pan. Next step is we're going to add mozzarella cheese. Konti lang muna guys. Then we're going to put the chicken breast. Kapag nalagay na lahat ng chicken guys, mag-a-add ulit tayo ng tomato sauce on the top of the chicken hanggang ma-cover up lang yung chicken natin. Then again, mag-a-add ulit tayo ng mozzarella cheese. O depende sa dami ng gusto nyo guys ng mozzarella. Pwede nyong i-cover up yung chicken or pwedeng sakto lang. Depende sa panlasa nyo. Next step, i-add na natin ang spring onion. And lastly, of course, yung ating special na Parmesan cheese. Alright guys, magdedepende rin sa inyo kung madaming cheese ang gusto nyo sa ating recipe. So, sa mga mahihilig sa cheese, pwede nyong damihan or pwedeng enough lang para makover lang yung chicken. Pag ready na guys, ayan, since na preheat na natin ang ating oven, i-cook lang natin siya for 30 minutes sa 200 degree Fahrenheit na temperature. After 30 minutes, pwede na yan guys, kain na! Of course, bago ang kainan, plating time muna guys para sa ating presentation. Para lagi mukhang pro! Tikman na natin. Ang sarap. Ang crispy ng chicken. Pwede try yung recipe nito sa inyo mga bahay guys. Perfect na perfect for the family. Yung ingredients nasa description box lang guys. Huwag kalimutang i-like and i-share sa inyong mga friends. And huwag nyo rin akong kalimutan i-follow sa aking Instagram, which is All That Day Daddy. And sa aking Facebook page, which is All Day Daddy. Hanggang dito na lang. Until next recipe guys. Bye for now.